Imagine waking up tomorrow to find that your biggest dreams have become your reality. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if I told you that this is not only possible, but that you've been manifesting your reality all along, often without even realizing it? Yes, everything around you, your job, your relationships, even your daily coffee routine, is a manifestation of your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. The catch is that many of us have been doing this unconsciously. Today, we're going to change that narrative. We're diving deep into the world of conscious manifestation, with practical steps that will empower you to actively create the life you desire. Let's kick things off with the most crucial element of manifestation: clarity. Picture this. You wouldn't set out on a road trip without a clear destination, right? Manifesting without clarity is akin to navigating with a broken GPS. You might end up somewhere, but it probably won't be where you want to go. So how do we gain this clarity? First, create your Zen zone. This could be a serene corner in your home, a tranquil park, or even your bathroom. No judgment here. Once you're settled, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize your breath as a golden light traveling to your heart center. Ask yourself the fundamental question: what do I truly desire? Don't hold back. Let your thoughts flow freely. Whether you dream of a stunning villa in the Maldives or the self-assurance to pursue your passions, embrace these visions without judgment. Now, here's a pro tip. Write down these desires. There's something incredibly powerful about putting pen to paper. It's like sending a certified letter to the universe. Return receipt requested. When you articulate your desires clearly, you're giving the universe precise instructions on what you want. Now that you've articulated your desires, we need to tackle a common hurdle: limiting beliefs. Think of your mind as a garden. Your desires are the seeds, while limiting beliefs are the weeds that choke them out. It's time for some mental spring cleaning. Start by identifying the negative thoughts that pop up when you think about your desires. For instance, you might hear a voice in your head saying, "I'm not smart enough," or "I don't have enough money." Write these down. Next, put on your detective hat and investigate the origins of these beliefs. Are they facts, or just narratives you've constructed over time? Spoiler alert, they're usually the latter. Now comes the exciting part: flipping the script. For every limiting belief, write down an empowering alternative. For example, if you wrote, "I'm too old to start something new," reframe it to, "I am constantly learning and growing." Initially, these new thoughts might feel uncomfortable, like wearing hand-me-down clothes, but with practice, they will start to fit you perfectly. Remember, your mind is like a supercomputer, and it's time for an upgrade. With clarity in place and limiting beliefs addressed, we can now move on to setting your intentions. Think of this step as placing an order at the cosmic kitchen. You want to ensure you're ordering exactly what you want. No substitutions allowed. Start by declaring your intentions out loud. Yes, you heard me right. Talk to yourself and be bold in your declarations. Don't be shy. Maybe even warn your neighbors first. Next, put your intention in writing. Be specific and assertive. Using "I am" statements is incredibly powerful. For instance, "I am living in my dream home" is far more impactful than "I will have a nice house." Visualization is your next step. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the experience of your desire as if it has already come to fruition. Use all your senses. What do you see, feel, hear, smell, and taste? Make this visualization so vivid that it feels almost tangible. Don't forget to connect emotionally. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude that comes with achieving your desire. The universe responds more to emotions than to mere words. Now, here comes the twist. After you've set your intention, it's time to practice the art of detachment. This may sound counterintuitive, but stick with me. Think of manifestation like planting a seed. You wouldn't dig it up every day to check if it's growing, right? The same principle applies here. Trust the process and the timing of the universe. It often has a plan that is even better than what you could have envisioned. By letting go of control over how and when your desires will manifest, you open yourself up to possibilities you never even imagined. Focus on living in the present moment rather than obsessing over your goals. Happiness in the now is the fastest route to attracting future happiness. Letting go can be challenging, but remember, life loves to surprise us. One of the key tenets of detachment is that it doesn't mean forgetting your desires. Instead, it means holding them lightly and trusting that they are on their way. As you navigate this journey of manifestation, if you're eager to accelerate your progress and achieve results similar to millions of others who are transforming their lives, I have an exciting opportunity for you. A PhD neuroscientist has developed a groundbreaking technique known as the 7-second Tesla ritual, designed specifically to attract money and abundance into your life. Imagine being part of an exclusive group that can harness the power of this ritual. But here's the catch. This opportunity is limited to only 100 people. If you want to tap into this life-changing method, check the link in the first pinned comment below. Don't miss out. This is your chance to elevate your manifestation game and start attracting the wealth you truly deserve. Click now before this opportunity slips away. Now let's get back into the exploration. As you practice detachment, two powerful tools will keep you in the manifestation zone: gratitude and patience. Think of these as the wind beneath your manifestation wings. First, let's talk about gratitude. It's not just a nice addition, it's essential. When you cultivate gratitude, you begin to notice more things to appreciate in your life. It's like putting on a pair of magic glasses that reveal all the good around you. Expressing gratitude elevates your vibration, making you a magnet for more positive experiences. Make it a habit to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice can transform your life. Every time you express gratitude, it's like sending a little thank you note to the universe, saying, "More of this, please." Now, let's discuss patience. Waiting can be tough, but remember that the universe operates on its own schedule. Trust that your desires are coming to fruition at the perfect time. Enjoy the journey and find joy in the waiting process. Life is too short to postpone happiness. As you cultivate gratitude and patience, it's essential to pay close attention to the signs and synchronicities that unfold around you. These are the universe's way of communicating and guiding you on your manifestation journey. Often, your desires are already in motion, and the universe sends you subtle nudges to confirm you're on the right path. These signs can manifest in various forms. You might find that you keep encountering the same numbers, like 111 or 333, which often symbolize alignment and new beginnings. Perhaps you run into someone who shares a story or insight that resonates deeply with your current situation, acting as a guiding light. Or maybe you stumble upon a book, a quote, or a song that seems to speak directly to your heart, providing the inspiration you need at that moment. The key is to stay open and receptive to these messages. They may come when you least expect them, but recognizing and acknowledging these moments can significantly enhance your manifestation process. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, sending you the encouragement you need to keep moving forward. By remaining aware of these synchronicities, you strengthen your connection with the universe and deepen your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Next, let's harness the magic of language through affirmations. Words hold incredible power. When used correctly, they can reshape your reality. Crafting effective affirmations is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset. When formulating your affirmations, use the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," try, "I am successful." This subtle shift creates a sense of immediacy and belief. Focus on positive framing. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be poor," say, "I am abundantly prosperous." Infuse your affirmations with emotion. Don't just recite them. Feel them in your bones. The more real and heartfelt your affirmations are, the more potent they become. Make it a daily ritual to repeat your affirmations morning, noon, and night. You might even consider making them your phone wallpaper for a daily reminder. Here are a few powerful affirmations to get you started. I am a money magnet. Wealth flows to me easily and abundantly, and the universe supports me in all that I do. Lastly, let's talk about intuition. Your gut feelings serve as your internal guidance system, a direct hotline to the universe. It's that subtle whisper that nudges you in a particular direction, urging you to take a leap of faith or to steer clear of something that doesn't feel right. Trust that little voice. If something feels right, it probably is. Conversely, if something feels off, pay attention and listen to that feeling too. It's often your subconscious trying to protect you. Practicing mindfulness throughout your day can help you tune into your intuition more effectively. Take moments to pause and ask yourself, what does my intuition say about this? Whether you're making a significant decision or simply choosing what to eat for lunch, give yourself the space to check in with your inner self. This practice not only enhances your self-awareness, but also strengthens your connection to your intuition. As you continue to practice, you'll find that your intuitive sense becomes clearer and more reliable. It's a valuable tool that can guide you on your manifestation journey, providing insights that rational thought alone may overlook. By learning to trust and act on your intuition, you empower yourself to navigate life with greater confidence, allowing you to seize opportunities and move closer to your desires with each decision you make. As we wrap things up, keep in mind that you are not merely a passive observer in your life. You are the star, the director, and the producer of your own unique reality show. Every thought you think, every intention you set, and every emotion you feel contributes to the masterpiece that is your life. With the powerful tools we've discussed today, clarity, intention setting, detachment, gratitude, patience, affirmations, and intuition, you are well equipped to co-create your existence alongside the universe. Embrace these principles wholeheartedly and watch as your reality begins to transform before your very eyes. Remember, the universe is not just a distant force. It's a supportive partner eagerly waiting to collaborate with you. So let's step forward together and manifest the life of your dreams. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What is one intention you're setting for yourself today? Share it in the comments below. Let's inspire one another. And if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more empowering content. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality, and I'm here to support you on this journey. Keep shining your light. Stay tuned for our next video, and let's keep manifesting our dreams together. Until next time, take care and happy manifesting.